Hello guys! Strawberries are considered the dirtiest fruit in the market. That's why I planted them, though it's tedious to maintain these plants. You have to remove dead leaves and planting the new plants called runners aside from the usual plant maintenance. Strawberries are short plants and have delicate fruit skin, making them susceptible to pests, forcing the farmers to frequently use pesticides which penetrate the fruits, making the fruits unhealthy for consumption. When you see new buds on trees and flowers, that's the time I start my early spring strawberry care. It's the time of the year when the weather starts to warm up after winter. In the southern region of the United States, it's in the late February through middle to late March. In the northern hemisphere, usually around the middle of March. There's new buds. Here in zone 7B, I start removing dead leaves, weeding, and fertilizing my strawberry plants. I retain the mulch on the ground and remove them only after the last frost sometime in the later part of April. Use fertilizer that has the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Then I shake the mulch. You got a weed here. To remove it. If you find runners and flowers, you have to pinch them because it's too early. You have to let the plants focus on growing strong root system. Kindly liking my video to help in the algorithm and subscribe to my channel. I hope you're going to have a productive 2025. God bless.